Hello sir, today here in this video we are going to unbox the V4 model along with the accessories, and we'll look the things how it's assembled. After doing the unboxing of V4 machine sprayer, we can see the components that we are providing to the customer. With this V4 machine, we are providing these two spray guns. Here, this is the line spray gun, and this second one is the local spray gun, and this one is the single phase charger. And in this pouch, there are drip set connectors along with this pipe here, hose pipe. Drip set can be used to pump the fertilizers in the drip line. And this is the safety goggle with two safety masks, and this is the LED bulb, and this one is the 40-watt solar panel, and here 50-meter hose pipe.